Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Have you ever experienced the frustration of turning on your iPhone, only to be met with a black screen and no response? Unfortunately, this is a common issue that many users face worldwide. Whether it's caused by a hardware or software malfunction, it can be a frustrating and stressful experience. Good thing we provide the 3 best solutions to fix the iPhone black screen of death. Before we proceed with serious methods to fix your iPhone's black screen of death, you must check if your device's battery has only drained out. The screen might have gone blank because of some battery drains, and your iPhone might have died eventually. On the other hand, check if the app crashes cause the issue. Some apps that frequently crash can also cause the iPhone black screen issue. If neither of the steps mentioned above works, you must try to force restart your iPhone. Doing this lets you clear off any cache files affecting the software from working properly. To do this, follow the instructions to force restart your iPhone in different versions and models. Meanwhile, you can fix your iPhone's black screen of death by performing factory reset using Mac or PC. This might sound painful, but this will completely remove all the corrupt data affecting your iPhone's display. Let's start to get rid of iPhone stuck via Mac. Open the Finder, then select your iPhone among the options from the sidebar. Afterward, you will see 2 options to update or restore. Select the Restore button among the option. On the other hand, via Windows, open iTunes, then select the iPhone icon from the upper left corner of the tool. Click the option Restore iPhone, then confirm that you want to restore your device. Updating your iPhone is another method to rescue your device from the black screen of death. As the method mentioned a while ago, this process might erase all the data of your iPhone, but it's still better than holding a blank device. Let's start to get rid of iPhone stuck via Mac. Open the Finder, then select your iPhone among the options from the sidebar. Afterward, you will see 2 options to update or restore. Select the Update button among the option. On the other hand, via Windows, open iTunes, then select the iPhone icon from the upper left corner of the tool. Click the option Update iPhone, then confirm that you want to update your device. If none of the previous methods works for you, we recommend the best third-party tool, FoneLab iOS System Recovery. This tool professionally fixes abnormal iOS systems, including the black screen of death. Also, it offers 2 repair modes to fix a broken iPhone to normal. The standard mode helps you repair abnormal iOS devices and ensure it won't wipe your data. While advanced mode lets you fix your devices, all data will be erased permanently. To get this tool, visit our page, FoneLab.com, or simply click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to fix your iPhone's black screen of death. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. You will see 4 tools for iOS issues on the Tools interface. Click the iOS System Recovery among them. And there, the lists of iPhone issues this tool can fix will appear. With that, click the Start button, and then connect your iPhone that is disabled on your computer. Once done, the tool will scan your device and choose between the 2 modes. After you choose, hit the Confirm button. Afterward, you will see different versions and firmware for your iOS device. Choose one suitable for your device, and click Next to download it. Please wait for it to be downloaded. After that, the tool will repair your system. Take note: do not disconnect your iPhone while repairing, or it will be bricked or damaged. It is troublesome when your iPhone is stuck in a black screen of death. Fortunately, there are reliable ways to fix it. Hence, we recommend FoneLab iOS System Recovery to safely fix the iPhone black screen of death with a high success rate. So what are you waiting for? Get it now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.